I should be taking? Wow, wow, isn't that cool? Wow, look at that. Wow, wow, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I'm surprised, are you?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to keep track of where we're going, right? Okay. Wow, look at it. It's getting even brighter.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, and under your board is like lighting up. Under the board is lighting up. What is it? Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. What was that? Oh, fish jumping. Wow. I'm still concerned about alligators, so I'm just going to be careful. Wow, they're jumping all around you. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at all these out here. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at them all. Wow. Wow, look at them. Oh, it's shallow. Wow. Wow. Gosh. Wow. Wow. Wow, there's a lot around you. Wow, what was that? Wow, they just light up. Look at that. It's like fireworks. There are alligators because you could hear, you know, that little noise that kind of sounds like alligators. Oh, there's definitely alligators, but they'll probably stay away from it. This is amazing. So to me it looks bluish green, kind of turquoise. You can still see it even with the light on. Wow. Oh, look at, watch this, watch. If you splash, look at what the splash does. Well, how will we find our way back? How will we find our way back to where we came in, though? Maybe we shouldn't go far, because did you see that lightning? I would say it's kind of a turquoise, because it's green, but it also has a little bit of blue. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, there's something little swimming right there. Wow. Do you see that lightning? To the north. Oh, it lit up under here. Wow. Watch this. Let's stay together. Oh, wow. Did you see that one jump out? As it gets darker, you can see it more. That was pretty amazing. Oh, I see. It's slippery because of the moss. Yeah.
Here, give me your paddle.
Okay.
Here, let's take up that.
I'll take this.